Hello everyone, welcome to this series on important works in literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the Oresteia Trilogy by Aeschylus. Introduction. The Oresteia Trilogy by Aeschylus, first performed in 458 BCE, stands as one of the most significant achievements in the history of drama. This monumental work, often hailed by literary giants like Goethe and Swinburne, transcends the limitations of dramatic enactment and serves as a profound exploration of human justice, cosmic order, and the human condition. The trilogy, comprising Agamemnon, the libation bearers, and Eumenides, follows the tragic saga of the house of Atreus and examines themes that resonate through the ages. Historical and literary context. To fully appreciate Oresteia, it is essential to understand its historical and cultural backdrop. Greek drama originated from religious rituals celebrating Dionysus, the god of fertility, wine, and regeneration. Aristotle, in his Poetics, traced the roots of tragedy to the choral songs honoring Dionysus. Aeschylus, considered the father of tragedy, significantly contributed to the development of drama by introducing the second actor, thereby enabling dialogue and conflict essential to dramatic storytelling. His innovations and the grand poetic diction he perfected have left an indelible mark on Western drama. Characters. The Oresteia is populated by a cast of deeply complex characters. Agamemnon, the king of Argos, whose return from the Trojan War sets off a chain of tragic events. Clytemnestra, Agamemnon's wife, who seeks revenge for the sacrifice of their daughter Iphigenia. Orestes, the son of Agamemnon and Clytemnestra, who is torn between avenging his father and committing matricide. Electra, sister of Orestes, who aids him in avenging their father's murder. Aegisthus, Clytemnestra's lover and Agamemnon's cousin, who conspires with her to kill Agamemnon. The Furies, ancient deities of vengeance who pursue Orestes after he kills Clytemnestra. Plot summary. The trilogy unfolds in three parts, each building on the previous narrative while exploring deeper themes. Agamemnon. The first play portrays the return of Agamemnon from Troy and his subsequent murder of Clytemnestra and Aegisthus. Clytemnestra justifies her actions as revenge for the sacrifice of Iphigenia, their daughter. The libation bearers. This play follows Orestes and Electra as they plan and execute their revenge against Clytemnestra and Aegisthus. Orestes is tormented by the moral dilemma of avenging his father's murder while committing matricide. The Eumenides. The final play depicts the trial of Orestes in Athens, where Athena and a jury of citizens judge him. The play concludes with the establishment of the rule of law and the transformation of the Furies into protectors of Athens, symbolizing the end of the cycle of vengeance. Themes. The Oresteia trilogy explores several enduring themes. Justice versus vengeance. The trilogy examines the transition from personal retribution to institutionalized justice. The establishment of a legal system in Athens symbolizes this shift. The role of the gods. The plays highlight the influence of divine intervention in human affairs, with gods like Apollo and Athena playing crucial roles in guiding and resolving human conflicts. Family and blood ties. The curse of the house of Atreus underscores the destructive power of familial vengeance and the complex dynamics within a family. Suffering and redemption. The characters' journeys are marked by immense suffering, which ultimately leads to a form of redemption and the establishment of order. Narrative techniques and style. The Oresteia trilogy is noted for its grand poetic diction, rich use of imagery, and dramatic stagecraft. The trilogy employs a variety of narrative techniques. Choral odes. The chorus provides commentary, raises thematic questions, and reflects on the moral and philosophical implications of the actions of characters. Symbolism. Visual symbols such as the red carpet in Agamemnon underscore themes of hubris and fate. Dialogue and conflict. The introduction of multiple actors allows for dynamic interactions and complex character development. Conclusion. The Oresteia tragedy remains one of the most ambitious and influential works in the history of drama. Aeschylus masterfully combines myth, moral inquiry, and poetic grandeur to explore fundamental human themes. The trilogy's legacy endures its profound impact on literature and its timeless exploration of justice, suffering, and the human condition. So this was the discussion on the Oresteia trilogy by Aeschylus. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.